Damn dog snoring. You realize his eyes is open. His eyes open. I don't know if he's asleep with his eyes open because he sounds like he's snoring. See?
Yeah.